going on, guys? It's Hendrix, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a YouTube channel icon. Create a design if it's not already there in where what says YouTube channel art. Type in YouTube channel art and then it should come up here and it takes you up onto this page. Canva Pro is suggested. I'll leave a link to Canva in the description. I'll leave the link to another video in the description that I did. That is on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. This one here, I'll leave a link to it. Okay. I made this thumbnail with Canva too. That's going to be an upcoming video. So, well, depending on what your channel is, say if it's like Minecraft, you can put a Minecraft head like here, and a sword here, and maybe copy that, and then paste it. And then you can flip it horizontally so it looks like it's like this. Let's just get it lined up. Perfect. Lined up. And you can get this camera end, like make it smaller. Put it like here. Copy and paste it over to here. I'm going to flip this horizontally so it's basically looks different. So I'm just going to name my channel, this channel, what's it called? Mining123. I'm just going to name it that. Oops, I deleted it. Well, I've spelled it wrong. How have I spelled mining wrong? Right, so now you want to shrink this by highlighting it and click on here and make it smaller. I'm going to make mine 48. But no, that's a bit too small. Maybe 140. That should be perfect. And if you want to change the colour, click on it and then click on this. Oh yeah, you won't really be able to see that over there. I'm just gonna get rid of that. So to change the size, you will click on this, and to change the colour, you will click on the end. I don't like this colour, so I'm gonna go for maybe a red. Yeah, that's nice. And then you can just add some more elements. Maybe add a nice background, see if there's a Minecraft. No. Well, what I use is I just use paint pen. So I go down here, I find some on here, all results, and I look for the ones that look like paints, like this. I always use these ones are amazing. Sometimes I use this one. By the way, all of these are free. I like this one. I'm just going to adjust it right now. Make it a bit darker like this. Perfect. Contrast. Around 61. Saturation. I think I'm gonna go for 100 with that, because this is gnarly now. I love it. And effects is just this. Pixelate maybe. Connect. Yeah, now it's pixelated. Elements. Oh, by the way, instead of this, you can use this one, and you can also use some Lego boats and stuff like that. I'm gonna copy and paste that. I'm gonna put this over here, and then flip it horizontally, so it looks like exactly like it. Yeah, and that would be it done. Click download, and then you click download there. You can change the size on it. It doesn't really matter about the size, but you can if you want. I'm just going to delete all this one. Right, so say if you wanted to make a Pokemon channel, you can have a look at a bunch of Pokemon here. By the way, I can't do it. Let me show you on YouTube. If any of you know how to do this, to switch colors. There, right. If any of you guys know how to do this, right, you go onto there. I'm going onto my channel right now. Customize channel. I'm trying to get rid of this one. This, and it just keeps on saying that. Click sign in, it does that. Click sign in, and it just says this. If any of you guys know how to fix it, thank you. If you know how to. Right, so say if you wanted like maybe a Pikachu in the middle here. Right, so that's in the middle now. And we're gonna draw a master, and there's gonna be a master ball there. So it looks like it's just about to come. So it's looking like it's just about to come out. Get in the ball. I'm gonna put gotcha. And there's good. I think you can get Pokemon Trainer. Yes, you can. Perfect. I'm just gonna do. I'm gonna put dot. Yeah, I have to. There is no real one.
Always breakfast.
Give us a minute. No, I can't find it. Doesn't matter. So we can get a background here. I'm just gonna pick this one probably, because this one I think suits the Pokemon. Also, we're gonna change the color of this into a nice blue. And we can add some text. I'm gonna put game over text, and I'm just gonna put it here. I'm just gonna say your YouTube channel name. Mine is Talkie School. So obviously I'll put that. Right, so now I'll click onto here, just change the size to maybe 100 and something. Depending on what you like, you can change the size to it. I'm gonna go with a nice 120. And I'm gonna move this now. And the elements, I'm gonna try to record again. And I'm probably just gonna put a star in the corner. Yellow. I'm going to change this to a nice blue because that's one of my favourite colours. I do like a nice wine red, so I think I could add one more little thing, maybe a little Snorlax. here, make it smaller, about this big, and just put it here. So you'll obviously click download and so on. And that's going to be the end of today's video, and goodbye.